How to claim your Nodepay voucher code. Hey guys, if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. In this video, I will let you know how to claim your voucher code on Nodepay. So when you will open the app, you will find this icon here in the right side, right upper side. Click on this icon and this screen will appear. Here you will have to log in into your Nodepay with verified email account. When you will log in with your verified email account, you will have this screen appear. Then after clicking onto this claim voucher, you will have this green button which will show that your email address is verified. Then you will have to click onto this claim voucher again and this box will appear. And here you will have to enter the code which you receive onto your verified email address. When you will enter the code and after that clicking onto this claim voucher by entering the code you receive on your verified email address, you will get the voucher and then you can use that voucher on Nodepay. So this is the best way to claim your Nodepay voucher code. If you like this video, please subscribe.